In 1938, a peculiar discovery off the coast of South Africa baffled scientists. The coelacanth, a fish thought extinct for 65 million years, was found alive, thriving in anoxic zones. How did it survive where oxygen was scarce? This ancient creature adapted with a unique lung-like organ, allowing it to extract minimal oxygen from water. As World War II raged, this fish's survival story offered a glimmer of hope and resilience. Today, the coelacanth remains a symbol of nature's adaptability, reminding us of life's tenacity in the face of adversity.